I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, guys? Back on another video. This time we got some dumb suckers. Of course, y'all know about those. Y'all know where they came from. So we're gonna get into this video. It's not gonna be a drawn out video or nothing like that. Of course, y'all know how I do it. I'm gonna leave the links down below for anything you see in the video. Of course, you can't order these, but I got the DOWN4SOUND bass knob. I saw it on there and I wanted to just give it a try. It wasn't too bad on the price. Can't remember the exact price, but it wasn't too bad on the price. It's not very big, as you can see. Let me get my tape measure out. I got a tape measure somewhere. It looks like it's about 2 1/4. 2 inches, about 2 inches and 1/4 from the knob to the actual end of the knob right there. The cables look real nice. High, like real thick cables or whatnot. Let me get that picked up so y'all can see. Like I said, it's not very big. Of course, you can see that's a tape measure right there, and you can see it's in beside. It's real small. You better hide it in your hand if you want it to. But like I said, I like the cables. Like I said, it was inexpensive compared to a lot of the other ones I looked at, and they usually come in different colors. But I think this was limited run. And I was able to get my hand on the black one. Of course, I wanted the white one, but they didn't have any more of those. But as you can see, it comes in blue, green, orange, purple, red, gray, teal, white, and black. And this is the black one. Aluminum RCA bass knob. It's a universal one. So, you know, like I said, it's straight to the point. I got this right here. And if y'all seen the other video, I got the white. Well, not the white, but the black. DOWN4SOUND RCA distribution block, a power distribution block as well, but y'all can see that right there. And like I said, it looked pretty good, but we will find out. And of course, I'm gonna leave a link down below. There's no point in me dragging this video out. Y'all know what this is. It's got the RCA ins and the RCA out. Let me see if it's labeled. It may be, no, it's RCA. It has like arrows on it, but you can't really see it in the package right there probably. But it does have it. So I'm gonna leave the link for y'all down below. And y'all like this type of video, let me know in the comments. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.